This is one of those homes you may have envisioned when you first started dreaming of buying a property in Italy. It also might be one of the loveliest we've ever featured. It's surrounded by 224 square meters of land and beautiful countryside. And, as you can see from the photos, it's move-in ready and large enough for the whole family, or all of the guests who will soon be visiting you in Italy. This home also features a fireplace, 2 vaulted cellars, and amazing views. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa is on the market for just €130,000. But what we love most about it is the location. It's in Emilia-Romagna, very near the border with Tuscany. Just a short distance from the coast, as well as Florence, Bologna, Parma, this area of the country, in our opinion, has some of the very best food in Italy. Thanks again to everyone for liking, sharing and subscribing. We really appreciate your support. The more support we receive, the more incredible, unique homes we can continue to feature every week. The theme of this week's Exceptional Homes collection is Properties Under €55,000. It goes out to subscribers on Sunday and will be available to purchase on our website the following Friday. Please check out Live Your Dream Italy for more details. You can find a link to the original listing with the realtor's contact information for this property in the description area below.